Hey there, could you use some more joy and laughter in your life? Now, if you hear that and you're thinking, I'm good, I'm going to tell you what. Today I'm sharing 5 surprising benefits of joy and laughter that you probably don't even know about, which means that you need it even more than you realize. So, I did a little personal development this morning, and I watched several videos around this topic, and they were just talking about all of these incredible benefits of laughing and joy. And I have literally 20 things written down. I'm going to share 5 because I don't want to keep you all day, but it is important that we talk about this, especially during difficult times, because I think when things get heavy, a little levity is exactly what we need. So, what are these surprising benefits of joy and laughter? Let's dig in. One, let me know if you knew about any of these as I'm saying them, right? Is this something that you knew about? Is this a benefit that surprised you? I can't see comments right now, but I'll check them when I get off. So, one, it enhances your mental health. Psychological and cognitive health benefits have been linked with laughter, including better sleep, improved creativity, enhanced mood, and reduced depression and anxiety. Huge, right? Number 2, and I love this one, they talked about it adding a spark to relationships. So they said if 2 people are laughing together, they will feel more emotionally connected. They actually gave the advice that if you were like going out on a date or you were trying to develop a friendship with someone, to use laughter as a way to connect with them, because they will walk away from the interaction feeling really connected to you. So there's a pro tip as you're trying to connect with people, right? Number 3, it also enhances your physical health. And I have a couple of different notes around this, but what I'm going to share with you here is it says, the simple act of laughing requires dozens of muscle groups. And it said from your abdominal muscles during deep belly laughs, so when you're having those really good laughs, to your facial muscles when you start to grin, just the beginning of that smile. And these micro movements, they call them, add up, helping you burn approximately 40 calories for every 10 to 15 minutes of laughter. So imagine watching a really funny comedy special or a really funny comedy, and you just are cracking up. You're burning calories, my friend. I hadn't even really thought of it in that way. And just like, I'm talking to you, I'm smiling because I'm happy to be here with you, but just the act of smiling is doing a little something extra, right? And I had no idea, so I thought that that was a really cool one. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, that was 4. I'm going to share one more with you. It says it also makes you smarter. So I thought this one was interesting. They said that if you develop the ability to find humor in the things that you read and hear, you'll be much more likely to retain the info that you just heard, right? You'll retain the information better. And so they said this is why a lot of speakers, a lot of instructors, a lot of educators will add humor into their routines, into their presentations, into their speeches, into their webinars, because the act of laughing as you're processing the information actually helps you retain it more. Did you know that? I had no idea that that was a thing, but I thought this was a really cool lesson. I mean, things have been heavy for a little while now, and I think a lot of us, if I'm honest, I think sometimes you feel guilty to take a break from everything that's so heavy, right? Because I'm supposed to be dealing with all of these things, but actually giving yourself a little bit of joy and a little bit of laughter can improve your life in so many ways, mind, body, spirit, okay? So if you're somebody who's saying, you know what, that sounds great, but how am I supposed to find the humor to cope with challenges, right? Because like right now, there's lots of challenges going on in the world that people have challenges that they're facing in their own personal life. If you're someone who's there and you're saying, you know what, Cece, I'm really excited about those tips, but I don't know how, right? How do I find that humor? Shoot me a message. I'll send you over 4 ways that I learned today to help you use humor to cope with challenges, okay? So that's what I have for you today. Those are the many benefits. Oh, 5 of the many. I have 20 here, but 5 of the many benefits of adding joy and laughter to your life. Let me know down in the comments what it is that you do to get a little laughter, a little joy in. And otherwise, I look forward to chatting with you soon. Ciao.